To apply yellow high contrast theme on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Next, tap high contrast theme and then select yellow thumbnail. If it's the first time for you from using this theme, you have to download it first by tapping download button, and you have to wait the downloading process to be finished before you can apply it. However, if you have ever downloaded this theme before, you can directly tap apply button to start applying this theme on your phone. Now your phone is using yellow high contrast theme. This theme provides a clear brightness contrast interface for you, so you can use your phone effectively because light color content on a dark mode background is more readable and has high visibility. As you can see, the enable buttons are now using yellow as its color. The enable switches and the selected option of a menu are now also using yellow as its color. Another advantage of using this theme is it will also help reduce age fatigue when you are using your phone in a dark environment or for a long time. As a note, while this theme is being used, your phone will always use a dark background. Thus, the option to enable light mode will not work. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.